It's me, Alexa.
And Bianca.
And we're going to be doing a slime DIY. And here are the materials you need. You need contact solution.
Some Elmer's glue.
You could use like puffy paint if you want.
Or any kind of
paint or whatever to color your slime, but we're using puffy paint.
And you're going to need something to mix with.
A spoon and a bowl.
And some containers.
You also need
some baking
powder.
soda. Baking soda powder.
Yeah, whatever it is.
Okay. Let's get started.
So what you first want to do is, we're both going to make some, so.
Just add your Elmer's glue as much as you want. I'm just going to make like this much, not a lot.
Yeah, this one's kind of chunky.
You can just use that. Okay. Okay, then we're going to add the coloring.
Yeah, paint of your choice, or food coloring. We didn't have any food coloring, so sadly.
You don't have to add a lot because it usually
comes out
like
pretty vibrant color.
Comes out. Start mixing. Mix it really good.
If already it's like goopy. Like,
oh my gosh. Okay, the next step is some baking
powder.
Baking soda powder. Okay.
So you are going to add a pinch of this. So now we're going to add this. I'm gonna add like.
Oh my gosh, that's kind of a lot here. Put some in mine too.
Okay.
That's good. Then you start to mix.
Very powdery.
Okay, when that's done, you're gonna add some contact solution.
We're using this one. It's from Target. Yeah. So you have to add very little by little.
Yeah.
So here.
Okay, let me. Oh no! Some of it spilled everywhere.
To slime up.
I think I used a lot.
I hope this is not a fail.
No, it's probably not. There's something in my slime.
Oh yeah, yours is already working.
Because I added so much, but you have to be careful, how much you put, because then sometimes mine's already
But you probably have to add like a lot, because look how sticky this is.
It depends what slime it
is. Yeah. Okay, we'll be back when our slime is done.
Yeah.
Bye. So here's the finished product, and Bianca's going to show hers first.
So it's very stretchy and squishy.
Hers is probably a little overactivated.
Doesn't really poke that much, but if you add too much activator, then it's gonna be kind of like this. But if you want some slime to play with and it won't stick to anything, then you should go with this slime. But if you want something to make bubbles with and stretchy, then you should do Alexa's slime.
So this one is like Laffy Taffy. Very stretchy. Makes good crackalackles. Okay, and let me just zoom in a little bit for you guys. Watching our video, make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So, hope you enjoyed.